guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to make this easy, simple apple crumble pie. It's only 4 ingredients technically, and it's only $4 to make this pie. I actually saw this on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Misha's Corner. But other than that, 4 ingredients, $4 from the Dollar Tree, and I can't wait for you guys to check out this recipe. So let's get into it. So this is my receipt right here: the graham cracker pie crust, the apple pie filling, and the sugar cookie mix. And it was only $4, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. So first I'm going to open my cans. I'm going to use my electric can opener. The link to purchase this can opener will be below if you're interested. Just use the code Misha10 for 10% off and you're good to go. So this is what it looks like. Usually I don't use canned products when I'm making pies, but again, I wanted to include some very cheap recipes for the Thanksgiving series for anyone that needs it. And so this is one of the recipes I came up with from watching TikTok. So I decided to add it to the catalog. So you want to season the apples with cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger, whatever you got. But I only use cinnamon and nutmeg. Alright, so I'm going to sprinkle a little salt down in here, and I'm also going to add some honey, about a 1/4 cup. You can season you could add brown sugar or white sugar if you prefer, but you don't want to do too much because there's sugar in the crust and there's also sugar in the sugar cookies, so you don't want to overdo it. That's my butter. I'm about to grate it down into my sugar cookie mix, and you want to get it nice and crumbly. Just like how I'm doing right here. It took about a minute or so to get the butter nice and incorporated into the mix. Alright, so this is what you're looking for. It's going to kind of sort of look like wet sand, and you just, get it nice and incorporated. Next, you're going to take your apple pie filling and add it directly into your pie shell, just like this. What I loved about this pie is that it was just delicious, and you didn't have to do too much because half the work is already done for you. And it was actually delicious. If it didn't taste good, I would tell y'all the truth. Something about the crust with the crumble on top and the apple pie filling just took it over the top, and it was delicious. And this is how it looks once it's out the oven, just like this. It's nice and crusty on top, and it smells great. Once I put some in the plate, it doesn't come out in a solid piece. It does crumble up a bit, and this is what it looks like on the plate. I wish I had some vanilla ice cream, y'all. It would have been great. So this is it right here. Now it does not come out whole, like a whole slice of pie, which I was a little disappointed with, but then I had to remember it's a graham cracker crust, and then I think I probably didn't let it cool down long enough. I only cooled it for like maybe 15 minutes. But let me tell y'all something. If I ever, because I'm not a fan of apple pie, but if I ever make an apple pie, I'm using a graham cracker crust. I don't care how much it fall apart. And if y'all already knew about this and y'all didn't even put me on, Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I don't even have no ice cream. I don't even need it. Everything just gelled together. I'm not lying. Look at my cabinet. I need to close my cabinet door. The graham cracker crust and the cookie crust with the apple. And see, this is why I didn't put a lot of sugar or sweetener in the apple, because everything gelled together and it's balanced. If I had put tons and tons more honey or sugar, it would have been too much. So this is good. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is good. And y'all know I love my fresh fruit and vegetables, but this was good. This is good. $4. Dollar Tree, $4. Bye, y'all.